Find the missing length indicated. Well, that's right here. This little question mark right here. Let's put an X on it. This problem is going to work really nicely because these two sides are marked as parallel. If they weren't parallel, then what I'm about to do won't work at all. But because they are parallel, they cut the bigger triangle into proportional lengths. So X corresponds to this 1, 8 corresponds to this 4. Somebody's already figured out the answer, but if you, just in case it's something you can't do in your head, you need another strategy besides just guess and check. Here's how you set it up. I like to do X over 8. I like to do it side over side equals 1 over 4. Make sure everything is lined up. X goes with the 8. They are on the same side. 1 goes with the 4. They are on the same side. But the X goes with the 1. If you had flipped this over and put the 4 on the top, this wouldn't work. The X is up here, go straight down. There's the 1. That's what I mean by they go together. Now, this is a proportion. If you don't remember how to solve proportions, we do something called cross multiply. So that would mean that 4 times the X equals 1 times 8. 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 2, and we are done with that problem.